WhatsApp. Welcome back to Vipin Coding. I am Vipin Sharma here for your Python tutorials. So guys, if you are first time visitor to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and share to your friends also. So guys, today we are going to discuss some amazing designs in Python, how we create amazing designs in Python using Turtle. So we are not taking a class for class 12 Python tutorials. We are going to make some designs. Sunday is happy Sunday for you. So guys, we are going to start some designs. You can see in the video. First, I have already designed some codes for you. You can see this code is written a small code that do an amazing design for you, that will create an amazing design, which will you see in a few minutes. One more thing, if I misspell or wrong pronunciation of any word, so please forgive me. I'm new here. I don't know how to speak in English fluently. So guys, forgive me for that. Sorry. So let's start some designs. Look in the video. An amazing design is going to be drawn in few seconds, few minutes. You can see in a video. This design is created by the few lines of codes that you can also do, and amazing designs you can create with a video, looking in the video. Okay, this is a design created by the Turtle, a few lines of codes. You can also design some different design with different codes. Okay, after this we are going to move some new designs, some other design that will be called a star. How we create a star in Python with the help of Turtle. You can watch in the next design. Wait, so that it will complete it in a few seconds. Amazing. It's look very nice. You can also design, guys, if you want this source code for this design, you can contact me, you can comment. I will provide you this code for you. You can design this. You should try it once in your Python, pycharm. Ideally, you should once use this code. How it works. Okay. Now let's see some other design. Okay. This is my first design, and second design is this one. We will create a star. First of all, we will discuss about this. First of all, we will import Turtle. After that, we will choose colors. We have a list of colors. We have two colors, white and red. Then we will choose variable pen, that is turtle.pen. Turtle.pen background color, that is black, which you have seen in the design. Then we will take a loop for I in range 300. It works, moves for 300 times. Then let's see again. I'll tell you in the design. See, it is moving. It moves 300 times. Okay, then it will complete make design, right? Next, pen width. Its width is increases by 1. Okay, in the loop. Then pen forward होगा. Then pen right 60 distance. Okay. Next design hour is this. It will create a star. Like we have also color list here, same things. That's small difference in between old code and this new code. Then let's run this code. We will get amazing design. You can see in the it will create a star for you of 5 colors. Every time it takes a new color, and 5 times after running 5 times, it choose again first color, then second, then third, and then fourth, and last 5. It will choose all the colors 5 times. Okay, it will create an amazing design that you are watching in the video. You can also design your own colors star with this code. You can get this code. You can comment. I will provide you the code link in the description. You can download this code and you can run this. You will get an amazing design by the Python turtle. It is a small video for us Sunday. Today I am going to show some amazing designs, not for tutorials. You can watch and learn something new in Python. Okay. The next one and the last one design is I'm going to show you, that is my channel name. How can I create our name in Python with the turtle? Okay, I am working on it, so it is incomplete. You can see on first name of my channel in this tutorial. See, this is the code for my channel name. I am working on it. This is all the code which you can also create your own name with the help of turtle in Python. So let's see what it does work. Let's run. See, this is creating my name with the help of turtle in Python. You can also design your own name in Python with amazing styles and amazing designs. Okay, every Sunday I will give you an amazing design video in Python and unique design, not on anywhere. Okay, I will provide you every Sunday amazing design. So keep watching, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.